Good morning, students. Today we have to discuss question number 34. Let us see. Okay. What the question number 34? Let us see. Places A and B are 160 km apart on highway. Okay. Suppose this is the places of A and B. Okay. This one A point and this one B point. Okay. This is 160 km apart. Okay. You call as 160 km. Okay, from A to B. Okay. On a highway, one car start from A and another car start from B. Okay, this one, a car which will start from A and another car start from B. Okay, in the same direction. In the same direction means this one the direction of point A and this one the direction of point B. Okay, the same direction. This one in the same direction. Okay. If they traverse in the same direction, they meet in 8 hours. Okay. Suppose they go and meet at a point C. Okay, this on the car 1 and this on the car 2. The car 1 has a higher speed, so meet at a point C. Okay. Again, if they travel in same direction, they meet in 8 hours. Okay, so total time taken by the A and the total time taken by the B. This on the first this on the first car. Okay, and this on the second car. Okay, this on the first car and this on the second car. The first car and the second car meet at point C. Okay, in how much? 8 hours. But if they travels in towards each other, they meet in 2 hours. Find the speed of the car. Okay, first of all you have to assume let first car speed equal to x km/h, because they want to find the speed of the each car. Okay, and the second car speed equal to y km/h. Okay, we know that the distance traveled by A, that is equal to, and the distance traveled by B. You have to find out the distance traveled by the A and the distance traveled by the first car and the distance traveled by the second car. As you write here, distance traveled by the first car. Okay, first car, the distance traveled by the first car. How much distance traveled by the first car? The speed, you know that the speed of the first car is equal to, we already assumed x km/h, so you have to multiply s distance equal to speed into time, that is x into how much the time taken by the first car, that is equal to how much here 8 hours. Okay, the time taken by the first car is 8 hours, because in 8 hours it go here and the 8 hours it also go there to meet each other. Okay, so it will becomes 8x. Again, the distance traveled by the second car, it will becomes how much the speed of the second car is equal to y, and it will go for 8 hours, so you have to multiply and becomes 8y. Okay, and we know that the distance traveled by the first car, that is from here to here, distance traveled by the first car, that is equal to 8x, that is here to here, and the distance traveled by the second car, that is equal to 8y from here to here. Okay, the distance traveled by the second car, that is 8y, and the distance traveled by the first car, it becomes 8x. If you subtract the 8x minus 8y, you get 160 km, because this one the 8x and this one becomes 8y. 8x minus 8y becomes 160 km, because 160 km is the distance between A and B. Okay, so according to question you can write here 8x minus 8y equal to 160. Okay, x minus y, if you divide by 8, you will get x minus y equal to 20. 8 to the 60. Okay, so this is the equation number 1. Okay, this is the first part of the question. Okay, again in the second part, you know that if they travel in the same direction, they meet 8 hours. But if they travel towards each other, okay, suppose this on the point A and this on the point B. Okay, there is a first car, this one the first car, and this one the second car. You already know this on the second car. Okay, if they travel towards each other, they meet in 2 hours. how much time taken to meet each other? T equal to how much? 2 hours. Here T equal to how much? T equal to, that is T equal to here 8 hours. T equal to 8 hours to meet each other, but here 2 hours because they traveling towards each other. Okay. If you are asking the distance traveled by the first car, here in the second case, distance traveled by the first car, that is equal to, distance equal to speed into time. The speed of the first car you assume that x kilometer per hour, and the time taken by that is 2x, and the distance traveled by the second car, that is equal to y into 2, because in 2 hours they meet at a point C here. Okay, this will becomes how much? 2x, and this will becomes 2y. I think you are able to follow me. Again, you know that the distance between A and B, that is equal to, we already familiar, that is 160 km apart from A and B, 160 km. Okay, so if you multiply, if you add the 2x plus 2y, this one the distance equal to 2x, the distance traveled by the first car, and this one the distance 2y traveled by the second car. If you add 2x plus 2y, you get 160 km. Okay, so you get how much? 160 km. 160 km. If you add this one, you will get 160 km, because 2x plus 2y get 160 km. According to question, you can write here 2x plus 2y equal to 160, and if you divide by 2, you get x plus y equal to 80. This one gives the equation number 2. And if you add from 1 and 2, if you add 1 and 2, you get x minus y equal to 20 and x plus y equal to 80. After adding, the y will be cancelled out, and it will gives 2x equal to 100 and x equal to 50. Here x equal to 50, and the value of x, that is the kilometer per hour. So you can write here kilometer per hour. The value of x, the first car speed, and if you putting the value of x in 1, putting the value of x in 1, the value of x, that is x, that is equal to 50, 50 minus y equal to 20, then you get 50 minus 20 equal to y. This one gives the 30 kilometer per hour, the value of y. I think you are able to follow me. Thank you very much.